Hello everyone, I am Som Prakash and welcome to my new channel called as Coding with JTC. Already I have a channel JTC India. If you have not seen that, I have given the link in the description. Please check it. Where I upload a lot of video contents related to coding or Java programming, student feedback and all other sort of things. Now in this particular channel, Coding with JTC, I'll be uploading content related programming, different sort of programming languages, right? Student testimonials and many more things in English. What we do basically? So we are a training company. We provide training to working people or to students, those who are there in the college or those who wanted to switch their career from one industry to the another industry, basically in the coding industry. So we provide the training, completely in-depth training we provide, and after that training we place them in the good MNCs where they'll be getting a very handsome package, right? So on just like when we are starting this channel Coding with JTC, we need your support, right? What sort of support we need? So please subscribe this channel as much as possible and share this video with your friends, like it and write your thoughts in the comment section. Based on that thoughts, we'll be creating a lot of content which may fit in your requirement, right guys? So thank you very much. Like, share and subscribe.